Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Soliat, and on this channel I share honest reviews and tutorial. Today we want to check how well the VTCL blender handles raw egusi seeds. So here I have my raw egusi seeds, completely dried, no water, no oil, just pure seeds, and I'll be picking out this from it. And this is VTCL blender. It's known for handling tough ingredients, so I'm curious to see how well it's going to break down this egusi without burning out. I'll be using the small cup, which is perfect for nuts, seeds, and grains. So guys, let's start blending. Alright guys, moment of truth. I'll be opening out the blender to check out the results. And yeah, it is. This blender crushed the egusi seeds, and honestly I'm impressed. It's completely smooth and even, no seeds, just perfectly grounded egusi. And one thing is, you can take this straight into your soup prep. If this blender were to be a person, it would be that friend who handles a million things at once and gets everything done without missing a bit. What do you think I should blend next? Maybe ogbono, crayfish, or let me know in the comment section. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.